Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I just filmed my Sephora VIB sale haul and I have makeup all over my hands. I just thought of that now. So if you see that on my hands during this video, that is what it is. But today, we're not here to talk about makeup. We are here to talk about nail polishes. Now, this is a pan matte polish update. It's coming a little sooner than you probably expected. So basically, my original pan matte polish was for these two colors right here. So I had City of Gleams and I had Mermaid's Dream. These were the two polishes that I was working on throughout this project. And I don't know from the time that the other video was posted because I pre-filmed a lot of videos, but I have been working on these now for about a month or a little over a month, and I have used these one time each. I can't get this one to work at all. I have tried this with bases before and it didn't work. And then I tried to use it with like a glitter eyeshadow to see if I could make it work, get it a little bit more pigmented, and I couldn't. And I don't want to go through the summer just trying to make this work, especially when it's summertime and I'm going to be wearing sandals. If it were winter, I feel like I could try to make it work. But then when I think back of the like full winter that we just went through, I couldn't make it work. So this one here, I have tried to make it work and I only used it once, but I just can't. And I don't want to continue going through this project, hate panning it, and not wanting to reach for it. So this one here, we're going to declutter. I am so glad that that didn't break. So this one here, I'm going to declutter and we're going to roll in a new shade to work on that I can enjoy more, get more progress on, and actually like. That is kind of the same decision that I came to with the City of Gleams. I have used this, I think, 2 times since the last video that you guys seen. While I can make it work, it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite topper. It's not my favorite look. It doesn't always apply evenly. It's not my favorite. So this one here, again, I'm going to declutter. I know that I was going to try to completely finish it. I just don't even see that happening. Not only that, again, we're getting into the summer and I don't want to waste my summer having to deal with these colors on my toes when I don't even like them. I'm going to be wearing sandals. I'm going to be wearing cute dresses. I'm going to be wearing skirts. I'm going to be wearing cute outfits. I don't want to be like, ooh, I hate my toenail polish or I hate my nail polish because they're these. It's taking away from my other colors that I really like as well. So these are going to roll out of my collection. That was also kind of the point with Pan That Polish too and Project Pan. Like, if there's something that you don't like, bringing it into a project really helps you figure that out. So I'm kind of glad that I started off with these two and I used them as much as I could, but it is time for me to roll them out and bring in new so I can make good progress and actually enjoy what I'm doing. So we're saying goodbye to these two and we're rolling in these two. So we're gonna roll in one of my favorite colors. This is the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in Nifty Nudes, and I am almost halfway done this. This is going to be absolutely perfect for the summertime because it's just a nude. Wear it on my nails, wear it on my toes, easy to layer, easy to put on top coats. I can use this very, very easy. I also want to completely finish this one because I do have a brand new bottle in the exact same color, exact same shade, waiting for me to open it. And this one here is getting to be almost a year old. So it would be nice to finish the old one and roll in the new one. So this one's going to be the polish that stays in here until we're finished. And then this is one that I'm rolling in for a usage goal. This is the Nail Polish Max Gloss by Nail Boo. It's in the shade Glam Queen. and it is a beautiful sparkly top coat. So these are going to pair beautifully together. This one sometimes I can wear by itself if I want something really quick. It looks okay by itself, and this one looks okay by itself. This one looks beautiful with other colors. This one here works really well as a base for other colors as well. So I feel like these two are going to be perfect for me to kind of refresh and restart and get good use on. This one I am going to keep in here to use 2 times, while this one is just going to be in here to finish. So again, I'm not entirely sure when I'm going to be updating these. I think it's going to be around every like month and a half to 2 months. So you will probably see my next update for these in probably the beginning of June or mid-June, because right now we're at the end of April. So that will probably give me enough time to make some progress and probably end up using this one 2 times coming in, and then we can pick something else in my collection to use. Hopefully the line on this one can go down a bit, and hopefully this one here we can create a new line on. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are doing a pan that polish, and I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.